Okay, Rishi Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Let us focus on this topic in this video because all the short questions related to Bankim Chandra Chatterjee will be based only on these important points. Okay, most of the time it is always asked the contribution, the achievements, or why they got so much name and fame, what all they did in their lives. So you have to focus only on their contribution. For example, when we hear the name of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, we always remind or recall, first of all, Vande Mataram and later Anand Mat. So these two things are very important to be learnt about Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So if this kind of question is asked, his contribution, the contribution of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, okay, to the that is to your country or to literary, that is to literature, to India, any kind of question can be asked, but you have to focus only on the contribution of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, right? And he was conferred with this title Rishi. He was given this name Rishi Bankim Chandra Chatterjee was his full name. So now within few lines you can answer to this question that the most significant contribution, okay, that was most important, the most significant contribution of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee was especially the song Vande Mataram, right? And Vande Mataram, it was from his novel that was named Anand Mat. It was a Bengali novel, means it was written in Bengali language, and that was the song which was adopted as Indian national song as Vande Mataram, right? From this novel Anand Mat. Vande Mataram, and this song, which song? Vande Mataram, this song inspired the whole country by its message. Okay, within few lines you can answer to this question because in these lines we have mentioned both things, Vande Mataram and his novel Anand Mat, which got a lot of popularity. So now the recognition, why he got so much recognition, for what he got name and fame, for what he is so famous that he has been prescribed in your syllabus. So now from here you can start to answer to any question. Bankim Chandra was born, because this question will be asked only in short question. So these lines will be sufficient, and in all I have given you all the important points related to Bankim Chandra, right? That depends on you that how many lines you pick up from this notes, that is from this article, because the whole things have been tried to put here related to Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So that only depends on you. Bankim Chandra was born, you can start your answer with this line also, that Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, he was born on 27th June in 1838, where in West Bengal, okay, in India, in Bengal, especially in West Bengal, and he died only when he was 55 years old, right? And when, that is in 1894, on 8th of April in 1894 in Kolkata, that is Calcutta, to in West Bengal, right? And now this line most important, you can start your answer with this line also, that Bankim Chandra Chatterjee is known as Sahitya Samrat, right? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee is known as Sahitya Samrat. Sahitya, that is literature, and Samrat, emperor. Samrat, king or emperor. So Bankim Chandra Chatterjee has been given these kinds of titles: Sahitya Samrat, literary king of Bengal, or emperor of literature. In Bengali, Sahitya Samrat in Bengali, and especially particularly for his national song of India, that is Vande Mataram, and his pen name was Kamal Kanta, right? Now he had been an Indo-Anglian writer or literary artist. As an Indo-Anglian writer or novelist, you can write these lines: Although Bankim was a great admirer of the English language, in spite of that, he wanted to share, he wanted to communicate his feelings, his ideas, his thoughts to the Bengali people only in their own language, and their language was Bengali language. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee wrote around 14 novels and many serious, tragic, that is non-serious, tragic, comic, scientific, critical literary books also. In which language? In Bengali language. So Bankim Chandra was an Indian novelist. He was a Bengali author, especially a poet, essayist, journalist, and a writer of Indian national anthem. Okay, Indian national anthem, that is much more important about him. And the very first novel written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee was Raj Mohan's Wife. Okay, it was his first novel, and that became the first ever English novel written by an Indian. So don't forget this novel, also the very first novel of him. How did Bankim Chandra got worldwide recognition? So within few lines you can answer how did he get this recognition. He was the composer of Vande Mataram. Okay, all within these lines you can answer. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee was the composer of Vande Mataram, means mother I bow to thee, and originally it was written in Sanskrit, that is in Bengali also, in 1870, and he personified in this anthem India as a mother goddess, and he inspired, means this anthem, this song inspired all the Indian activists during the Indian independence movement. Okay, these lines are very important to be written. He was the author of the Bengali novel Anand Math, that was published in 1882. This novel, okay, so this answer will be sufficient to this question, worldwide recognition, and you can give here the example of both Vande Mataram and Anand Math. He was the author of the Bengali novel Anand Math, and it was published in 1882. This novel inspired the spirit of nationalism. First it was banned by the British government, but later it was unbanned by the government of India, but only after independence. Okay, independence of India, independence of the country. And why it was banned by the Britishers? The reason was only because Bankim had imagined in this novel Anand Math, he has prescribed, or means he has described untrained sannyasi, okay, untrained sannyasi soldiers fighting and beating the skilled, trained, experienced English forces or English soldiers. So that was the reason that it was banned. Anand Math novel was banned, but later it was unbanned. So that was the power, that was the contribution of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and this was the novel in which Vande Mataram was also included in 1882. Means Vande Mataram, okay, this was composed in which year? This was composed in 1870, right? But later it was included in 1882 again. Okay, it was included in this novel Anand Math. So don't forget this, that Vande Mataram, it was composed, or it was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in 1870, and later it was included by him in his novel Anand Math, right? In which year? In 1882. So this is the complete, all the answers are here related to Rishi Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and that will be sufficient.